When I started my career in tech, I faced many challenges that slowed me down and even made me think about giving up. One of the biggest issues was constantly switching career path, trying to find the right fit. Don't make the same mistake I did. In this video, I will share some of the most lucrative tech skills you can focus on. The skills I will discuss can pay you an average of $80,000 annually if you become an expert. So let's dive in and find the perfect one for you. Let's start with the hottest tech skill right now: artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence refers to the processes and algorithms that can stimulate human intelligence. Some practical AI applications include ChatGPT, personal assistant, AI interviewer, self-driving vehicles, and recommendation engine like Netflix and Spotify. Here's a roadmap for you: learn Python, learn math, learn machine learning, learn deep learning. Next, we'll talk about what runs the web: data. Data scientists are modern day alchemists. They turn data into gold. Data is raw gold, and data scientists are gold refiners. Without them, all this data is just numbers. Building a career in data science means you will dictate trends, grow businesses, and develop products. Here's a simple roadmap for you: learn Python, learn statistics. Here you learn things like probability, hypothesis testing, learn databases, preferably SQL. Learn data visualization. Tools like Tableau, Power BI displays numbers in a more appealing form like graphs and charts. Build projects. There are free data sets you can analyze and add to your portfolio. Your critical thinking ability, catching and spotting that tiny details, make you stand out in this field. Before the end of this video, I'll review the tech skill I recommend you learn, given my years of experience in the tech space. Now we've discussed data. Where does this data live and from where is it accessed? This leads us to our next tech skill: cloud engineering. Cloud engineering has always been here, but there's a spike in this field and cloud engineers are in high demand. Experienced cloud engineers' base salary ranges from $100,000 to $200,000. Cloud engineering is the ultimate tech skill because it is at the center of information technology. AI, machine learning, and big data all runs on the cloud. Businesses are moving their data and operations to the cloud. Here is why you should consider this field. It is always evolving, there is so much to learn, and diverse projects to work on. You know what that means? No dull or boring moments here. Also, this field is future-proof because the cloud is here to stay. Here's the opportunity to start or switch to this field. You don't need a computer science degree to break into this field. First, choose a cloud service provider. The three most popular ones are AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. I learned AWS because it is the most popular and has more opportunities. I advise you to pick any of them, learn about their services, and build projects. I advise you to take their certification exams. This gives you an edge in the competitive market. Here is what you need to learn: cloud architecture. Here you learn to build cost-efficient solutions that performs well and are highly scalable. Learn automation and scripting. Learn to use Terraform or CloudFormation to automate tasks. Learn security. The cloud uses a shared responsibility model for security. The cloud provider takes care of security of the cloud, while you take care of security in the cloud. As we and our businesses move online, this opens doors to many security threats and hacking. This is where our next high income skill comes in: cybersecurity. Imagine waking up, your bank account drained, your private photos leaked, and your identity stolen. This is the reality for millions of people every day. That's the world we live in. You could be the frontier preventing such attacks. I call them cyber police. So be our policeman or policewoman and defend us against these threats. Every 40 seconds, a hacker tries to hack into a system, and there is a shortage of cybersecurity experts. This is a void you can fill. This isn't just another tech job. You have to be steps ahead of these bad guys because you are the FBI agent of the tech world. Here's how to get started: learn operating system, learn networking, get certified, get the CompTIA Security Plus. You can also get the CompTIA Network Plus. Learn to think like a hacker. Take a course on ethical hacking. Of course, practice, practice, practice. Set up, break things, fix things, and repeat. Practice helps you get better at your craft. What if I told you fraud can be eliminated? That is blockchain technology, our next high income skill. When we hear blockchain, we think cryptocurrency. Blockchain is a whole lot more. It is secure, fast, and private. Blockchain creates a world where your data is yours and doesn't belong to the tech giants. You can transfer money digitally without needing a bank. You can buy and prove the authenticity of products with just a scan. The market is big, but only a few experts in blockchain technology exist. That's where you come in. Here's what you need to get started. Learn how blockchain works. Pick a platform, Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, to mention but a few. Learn Solidity. This is the programming language of blockchain. Build projects. You can build your own cryptocurrency or you can build decentralized apps. Let's go back to the basics. This skill underlines all the previous skills we've discussed. This is my specialty, software development. With this skill, you can build any software you can dream of. Isn't that amazing? It is the backbone of the IT world. Every app, every website, and video game are built by software developers. They are always in demand. Here's how to get started. Learn the fundamentals of computer science. Choose a programming language, Python, JavaScript, Java, any language you choose to speak. Build out projects, calculator, recipe apps, simple games, browser extension, any project you can think of. I advise building a capstone project. Think of an app that solves the problem that you are facing. While learning, build out this app, add features to the app as you learn. When you are done learning, you have a good project in your portfolio and you can comfortably talk about it and explain the processes in interviews. Learn to collaborate with others. You must keep learning new frameworks and technology to stay on your game. Be ready to be a continuous learner because learning never ends as a software engineer. Collaborate with other developers and contribute to open source projects. Now let's talk about a technology that is quietly revolutionizing our world, the Internet of Things. This is where smart home, smart cars, and smart devices fall in. This makes our life easier. If you want to speak the language of Internet of Things, you need to learn this. Raspberry Pi. Learn computer networking. That is how computers communicate with each other. Learn how to collect, read, analyze, and take action on data. Learn security. What is the point of building a product that is not secure? And of course, build projects. Start building smart devices you need at home and add this to your portfolio. This is interesting. In a nutshell, Internet of Things is about thinking of ways to make our interaction with the world around us more efficient, reliable, and intelligent. Now let's talk about DevOps and SRE. They are similar, but their main difference is in their approach to work. DevOps is more philosophical, while SRE focuses on practices. DevOps teams are responsible for creating and testing software, while SRE safeguards systems by fixing known issues and determining ways to prevent future downtimes. The future is bright for DevOps and SRE engineers. Here are what you need to succeed in this field. Learn to code, Python or Go preferably. Learn cloud, learn any CSP of your choice, AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. Learn automation, Ansible, Chef, or Puppet. Learn containers, Dockers, Kubernetes. Learn monitoring. You should be able to spot problems before they happen. You need to have a problem-solving mindset. Now, let's talk about another interesting technology where the lines between reality and fantasies blur. I'm talking about extended reality. Extended reality covers virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. When we hear extended reality or virtual reality, what comes to mind is gaming. Here are some possibilities in this field. Surgeons can perform complex surgeries in a risk-free environment. Aspiring surgeons can learn to perform surgeries. Students can take field trips across different countries. I don't know if you have seen in some shopping apps a section where you can visualize how the piece of furniture will fit into your space. That is virtual reality. Customers can even try on clothes before getting them. Endless possibilities. If you start on this path right now, you will be better positioned to become an expert before the predicted market explosion in 2030 comes. Here's a roadmap you can take to become an XR developer. Learn 3D modeling, tools like Blender. Master a game engine, Unity or Unreal Engine. Learn extended reality design. Learn extended reality hardware, Oculus and HoloLens. Build extended reality experiences. You can't go wrong with any of these skills. Which skill do you like or want to learn more about? Leave them in the comments. No matter the path you choose, remember these key points. Build projects, have a great portfolio, build in public as you learn, build a strong network with people, learn to collaborate with others, learn to pay attention to details, work on your analytical skills. If you want to be in the tech space and you're not interested in coding, check out this video on in-demand non-coding tech skill you can learn. See you there. Bye.